The ring was beautiful, with a large, sparkling diamond set in the center. It was said to have been passed down through generations of a wealthy family, but it was also rumored to be cursed. The family members who had worn the ring had all met with terrible fates, and now the ring was up for auction. The auction house was packed with people eager to get their hands on the ring. The bidding was fierce and the price quickly skyrocketed. In the end, a wealthy businessman won the ring, and he couldn't wait to show it off to his friends, but as soon as he put the ring on his finger, strange things began to happen. He started having nightmares, and he felt like he was being watched all the time. He became paranoid and reclusive, and his business began to suffer. One day he decided to take the ring off and put it away, but when he tried to remove it, he found that it was stuck on his finger. He tried everything he could think of to get it off, but it wouldn't budge. As the days went by, the businessman became more and more desperate. He consulted doctors and jewelers, but no one could help him. He was trapped with the cursed ring. Finally, one night, he had a dream. In the dream, a ghostly figure appeared to him and told him that the only way to break the curse was to return the ring to its rightful owner. The businessman woke up with a start, and he knew what he had to do. He tracked down the descendants of the original owners of the ring and returned it to them. As soon as he did, the ring slipped off his finger, and he felt a weight lifted from his shoulders. He was free from the curse. The businessman never forgot the lesson he had learned. He realized that sometimes, the things we desire most can be the things that destroy us, and he vowed never to let his greed get the best of him again. I hope you enjoyed the story. Let me know if you have any other requests.